So we got this question to integrate. Okay. Now, first point is just write down this question in standard form. I don't want this to be in the factorized way. Okay. So first I will expand this thing. So it is tan cube x and this multiplied by this. First I will be writing this. So it is 2 sec square x and then sine to the power 4 and then 3x plus. Now I will be multiplying this with that one. So we will be having 3 10 power 4x into sine square 3x into sine 6x. So it is sine 6x. Can I break down that sine 6x into something? Okay. So it will become what? 2 sin x cos x. So 2 and 3 will become what? 6. So 2 sin 6x and cos 6x. So sorry, this thing will be half now. Sin 3x cos 3x. Now these two things will get clubbed. So can I write this thing as power 3 and can I remove this sin 3x from here and I will be writing cos 3x dx. Is that okay? Now what I feel is, look at this situation. If you will observe, the greatest power is this, correct? So suppose that for time being I am taking y as sine power 4 3x. Let's do the differentiation. So dy by dx equals 4 sine power 3 times, power is 3 and then 3x. Now differentiation of sine 3x is cos 3x. Now differentiation of 3x is 3. Okay. So till this part I feel you guys are comfortable. So we will write down this thing in standard form. So it is 12 sine power 3 3x cos 3x. Okay. Now if you will observe the next entity, I will connect the dots, just be patient. If you will observe this thing is having maximum power, so I will take that thing as z. So 10 power 4x as z. Now do the differentiation. So dz by dx equals 4 times 10 cube x. Differentiation of 10x is what? Sec square x. Correct or wrong? Now be super slow and look at this, how I will connect everything. So first, if you'll observe, you got 12, but here we have 6. You got 4 over here, but you got 2 over here. So can I multiply and divide by 2? So if I'll multiply and divide by 2, I have to write this. First I will be writing 1 by 2, and then if I'll multiply by 2 to this first entity, it will become 4. So look at this, what I am writing. I will be writing 4. I will change the color. Okay. Now look at this. So we got 4 10 cube x sec square x. Now look at this. It's the same thing, but we have taken 10 power 4 as z. Correct? No. So can I write 10 power 4 x with this color because these two things are interconnected. So I have used the same color for these two entity. I know it is bit tough, but you have to do it. Okay, and it is worth it. Now, the next component is what? Yellow. So I will connect yellow part. So look at this. So here we guys are having sine power 4 3x, है ना? So I will be writing that one. So it is sine power 4 3x. Now look at this. I will be writing this. So you know that you have multiplied by 2, so 6 will become 12. So it is 12, and then we have, look at this, sine cube, cos 3 cos 3. So it is sine cube 3x cos 3x. Is that okay? Dx. है ना? Now be super slow and look at this, what I am trying to write. I feel that I wrote y over here and y dash there. Okay? I feel that I wrote z over here and z dash over here. Correct or wrong? Is that okay? Now be super slow. Have you ever seen this kind of situation? First function, differentiation of second function, plus second function, differentiation of first function. Yes, we did this situation. Differentiation of uv. So can I write 1 by 2 integration of differentiation of what? Yz with respect to dx. Correct? So you know that integration and differentiation are opposite of each other. So can I directly remove differentiation and integration together? I will be writing yz. So who is y? Y is sine power 4 3x and z. Who is z? 10 power 4x. Now let's place the limits. Limits are pi by 3 and pi by 6. Pi by 3, pi by 6. Now again 1 by 2. Let's put the upper limit. So it is 60 degree, है ना? So 60. So it is 120 degree. नहीं 180 degree. So sine 180 is nothing but 0. Correct, no? So first thing becomes 0. 0 into anything will become 0. So that is gone. Now minus lower limit 30, है ना? Pi by 6 is 30. So it will become 90, है ना? Sine 90 is 1. 1 power 4 is 1. And then sine 30, sorry, tan 30. Tan 30 is what? 1 by root 3. And 1 by root 3 power 4 will become what? 1 by 9. है ना? Root 3 square will become 3 and 3 square will become 9. So if you'll multiply this thing, you will be getting 1 by 18, sorry. It is 1 by 18. I hope you got the idea and you find this question to be interesting enough. Okay. I feel that you can handle similar situations as well. Just in case, if you'll find, you can handle. Okay, no?